No mess and no clutter in the kitchen. The easiest special pie you'll ever make. I'm starting my recipe by placing 3 eggs in this bowl. I add about 7 tablespoons of oil, a little over 3 tablespoons of milk, and a little over 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. I also add half a teaspoon of salt to balance the flavor. Now I add a little under 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. All these ingredients very well. Now I add a little over 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I mix very well until this batter becomes completely smooth. Now I add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I gently mix it into the batter. Now I take this batter and pour it into my pan, which is already greased. With butter and flour, I place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. I've already added a bit of olive oil to the pan to saute. I add 1 finely chopped onion. Now I add 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper to season. Then I add a little under 3/4 of a cup of sweet corn, a little under 3/4 of a cup of sliced or chopped olives, and a little under 1 cup of tomato sauce. And look how beautiful and colorful our pie filling is. We let it cook for about 3 minutes. I've already taken the crust out of the oven, and with a fork, I gently poke holes all over the dough. Now I bring the filling and spread it over the pre-baked crust. Now I add a little under 1 cup of chopped ham, and also a little over 1.5 cups of cheese. Even slices of pepperoni go really well. I finish with slices of tomato on top. Place it in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes.